All right, we'll have you out of here in just a second, honey. Oh boy, this fish, she's had a rough life. We're gonna let you get going. You are beautiful to me.
Come on, girl. Easy. 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 Easy.
Whoa! I went to catch that fish. All right, I'm gonna get some. Oh, dude, pretty fish you just caught. Pretty fish, and you can release that. He's a small. Oh, there we go. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh! Oh, oh boy, that fish inhaled it. All right, Kenny, it's your first muskie. You can just set her back into the water. Dude, she's really big. Oh, she's big. Oh, she's so big. Oh, yes! Dude, look at that piglet. Boulders, holders. Well, that
You didn't hit very hard. That's a nice size.
is a humongous rock bass. Oh, that's hilarious. All right, good morning, guys. So, haven't done my intro yet. I didn't know if today would be a productive float or not. It's warm water fishing. I've done 2 trout videos this year. Today is the first warm water extravaganza. So far this morning, we've caught 2 really healthy smallmouth. They've both come on muskie glide baits. This guy right here just cranked them. We actually thought that fish was a muskie.
Yeah.
We thought it was a muskie. It was pull and drag, actually, and we got it on this. That is a 4 or 5 inch, what's it?
Phantom.
4 or 5 inch phantom squirrely tail, I think is what it's called, in bluegill coloration. And we're feeling we're gonna get a muskie as well. So stay tuned, guys. This is gonna be a good day.
We
chomped it. Whoop. Come here. She chomped. Ah, she chomped. Hello, beautiful. That's number 20 today. All right.
Solved that one.
Can you move the thing so it, yeah, there we go. All right, guys, so Corey here was looking for his 4th species of the day, and I said, hey, there should be a pike right under this tree, and we haven't seen a pike yet today, but we found one under the tree.
Way to call your shot.
Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah.
Massive.
I hope you guys are enjoying this video. So far today, we are having a good trip. This is a May scouting trip, so early spring. You're gonna see a variety of species in this video today. Some muskie, some walleye, some smallmouth. Right now, beautiful little island we're on. We're having a lunch, and hopefully we're gonna get out there and catch some more fish this afternoon. The water has warmed up greatly, so the fish are ready to catch, ready to be caught, that is. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you will enjoy it, that is. That being said, let's go eat some lunch and catch some more fish this afternoon. That's a nice smallie. Nice smallie. Got her. Sweet. You can let her go. Sweet fish. Let her go. Let her go. Hello, girl.
She's scarred on the side too.
Hello. Oh yeah. Oh, I almost went straight. I almost. You know, even the eagle's laughing at me.
Oh, he wants bait. He wants lunch.
All right, guys. Got a little Walter here. She
Walter concrete.
Most beautiful fish I've ever seen. Look at how gold it is. I'm just gonna throw her back. You cool?
Yep.
Oh, 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 oh. She's big. She's big. She's big, dude. Dude, she's really big. Oh, she's big. Oh, she's so big. Oh, gosh. She's freaking ginormous. Oh, look at the size of that monkey. Whoo! I finally caught a fish. Dude, look at that piglet. Wow, let's put her back in this real quick. In the water, Oh. I'm saying 19. Okay. Shh.
20, dude.
All right, we're gonna say 20. All right, guys, that is the first 20-incher of the year. Wow, it's been a good day spring fishing here that was our first 20-inch, legitimate 20-inch fish of the year. Big smallmouth. She was a girthy football. We're gonna keep fishing and we're catching some more, but that was number 10 on the day. Going well. Good scouting today. Yeah, she's a chunk. Chunky girl. Come here. Oh. On a dorky little twister. Gotta say, this one doesn't have any class. I mean, that moon eye jig is one thing. This thing, oh, she's a big girl. All right, you can toss her in.
She wants to play nicely.
That's a pretty fish, dude.
Yeah.
Hello, beautiful. Oh, almost just fell. If you can bring it to the left, that's the water's gonna be out of the current. Okay, okay, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Brah! There we go. There we go.
That was a tick.
All right. All right, here goes. Pretty walleye. Hey. So look at this. Look at that jig right there, guys.
Hailed it.
Golden beauty right here. Trying to.
You can just toss that one back.
Beautiful. Get going. Key walleye. Yes, one, man. Yes. I knew we had to get deeper. Maybe. All right, so first fish of the day. All right. Wrong species, but right lure. All right, guys, so this is an 18.5-inch fish right here. Corey just smoked it on a musky lure. Beautiful fish. We're gonna get a nice picture and a nice release on this fish. All right, I'm just gonna get a, oh, there we go. Let's say she is 18.
That almost looked like a largemouth.
I would be surprised. No, that's a largemouth. Are you? That's your third species. Gotta get her in. Gotta get her in. Gotta get her in. Yeah!
Largemouth.
All right. I'm gonna try to do a better job with the picture this time, dude.
Whoa.
All right, hey there, guys. This is the outro. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This was, oh, there's a lot of wind. Sorry about that. This was spring fishing here in the Upper Peninsula. Mostly on rivers. You guys saw a little bit of lake action. You know, really cool in this video that you guys saw 5 different warm water species. Really productive. At least today was productive. Most of those other days weren't very productive. But finally the water temps are starting to raise. So good times are coming. I hope you guys like this video, and maybe hit it with a like if you did. That'd be awesome. Helps my channel. And I think that's about it. So before I go, catch, release, wander. I will see you guys in the next one.
That's a fish, honey. She wants to touch it.
Whoa, that's your first fish you ever touched.
Don't grab that. What is that, Arabella? It's a fishy say.
Blub, 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 blub.
She wants to hold it. You're not afraid, are you?